So that's why I'm going to teach you how to optimize the loading speed of your website. The first thing that you must think about is to optimize the images that you have on your website. For example, this is my website and I have quite a few images for my courses here. Now imagine that each of these image has, like, say 500 kilobytes to load. And imagine you multiply it across all the courses, then you're going to have a very heavy website to load. Now, one way that you could do is you could optimize your image according to its size and not without degrading the quality. So that's called image optimization. You reduce the file size, which is the storage or the disk size of each image without degrading its quality, maintaining its quality. To do that, I always like to use this one free tool at tinypng.com. This is where you can actually drop your PNG or Jpeg files over here. And what it does is it actually optimizes the size of your image files to make it more compact without degrading its quality. It's very easy. You can see the comparison here for file size of 57 kilobytes to 15 kilobytes only without any apparent changes in its quality. It's free to use, by the way. And the other website that I have is actually tinypng.com. But generally, these two websites go back to the same website that you're seeing down here. Okay, so what I can do is I can always click on here and add as many images that I want to optimize. So here I'm going to demonstrate it here. So let's just say I'm gonna take this image, and you can see that it's compressing the size of this image to 230.4 kilobytes. Now you don't see a lot of difference here is because I've already compressed this image using this software or using this website. So I'm gonna find a less compressed image. Say, let's just say, how about this one? So 72.8 KB to only 19.1 KB. So imagine the reduction in size that you can get from this. So I really enjoy using this free tool for me to optimize my images compared to other tools that are available. Now, if you're running a WordPress website, you can always use this tool by downloading their plugin over here. The plugin is called Compressed JPEG and PNG Images. So you can always download this plugin from your WordPress admin panel. Now, please note that this plugin is not entirely free. So if you look at this FAQ, how many images can I optimize for free? You can actually only optimize around 100 images for free each month. It's not entirely free, you see that? Now, there's a limit to it. So here, the second question says that how can I remove the 500 limit? Well, you just have to pay for it with a small fee. So you can always use this plugin or this tool if you don't have too many websites, if you don't have too many images to compress every month. Other than that, you can just freely go to this website and drag and drop your images files over here and immediately compress them to the very optimized sizes.